proceed to number 5. So b squared multiplied by x squared plus a squared y squared is equals to a squared multiplied by b squared. So we are tasked to find dy over dx. So this variable b and a are constant. So we treat it as constant. So we'll have its first derivative. So b squared multiplied by 2x plus x squared multiplied by the derivative of b squared is just equals to 0 plus a squared derivative is 2y y prime plus y squared, so derivative of constant is 0 and the derivative of this is 0 also. So we'll simplify, so we'll cancel 0 having 0. So the remaining will be 2b squared x plus 2a squared y prime is equals to 0. So after this one, we will have 2a squared y prime is equals to negative 2b squared x. So we have y prime is equals to negative 2b squared x all over 2a squared y. So the remaining will be y prime is equals to, so we'll cancel 2. Cancel 2, we'll cancel, so there's nothing to cancel. So the answer will be negative b squared x all over a squared y. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Negative b squared x all over a squared multiplied by y. So our answer here is correct.